Petrol and diesel prices are skyrocketing in the past few weeks, which is going to affect each and everything that we use in day-to-day life. On one hand, nation is undergoing a difficult phase in the form of COVID-19, and on the other hand, the increase in petrol and diesel prices, which are competing with the increase in COVID-19 cases. This directly proportionated increase of COVID-19 cases with the hike of diesel and petrol prices are going to affect all the sectors, mainly manufacturing sector, auto sector, transport sector, textile sector, and much less agricultural sector. Today, all the migrant laborers, all the daily wagers who can't survive themselves, who couldn't survive themselves in the cities and towns, who couldn't find any sort of work in towns and cities, return to their villages. The only hope for their survival today is agricultural sector. This agrarian sector is affected drastically with the hike in diesel and petrol prices because the most of the equipment and machinery used in agrarian sector depends on petrol and diesel. A common man not only directly affected with this increase in petrol and diesel prices, but also indirectly, because they have to pay excess, they have to pay extra to the groceries, vegetables, other eternal goods, and other necessary commodities. Banking sector is also expected to be affected due to the high inflation level. On behalf of the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee, we urge the Government of India to be benevolent to all the sectors which are affected, to take all the parameters into consideration and put an end to the hike in petrol and diesel prices. Thank you.